How to disable the screen orientation hotkeys in Windows XP? I'm using Eclipse in Windows XP. One of my favorite shortcuts is Ctrl plus Alt plus down, or Ctrl plus Alt plus up, to duplicate a line. I just found that on this machine, XP ThinkPad, with NVIDIA graphics driver, this has the effect of flipping the screen upside down, which I will rarely use. How can I disable this? Or, if that is difficult, is there a way to give Eclipse hotkeys precedence over any other hotkeys? I'm not sure if this is an OS feature or a background utility, or a function of the graphics driver, but any suggestions that would help me track this down and eliminate it would be appreciated. I've looked through the choices on the NVIDIA control panel, and I don't find any hotkey options.
I have not tested on AMD/ATI graphics, but I know for a fact that all Intel drivers do this and some NVIDIA drivers. Simply go into the configuration tool of your driver and look under a section called Hotkeys and disable it. For Intel,
looks like the answer is to right-click your desktop, select Graphics Options, Hotkeys, Disable. Though see here, where someone describes doing this, having it work for a while, and then having an update working it for them. Others have suggested in a worst case like this to uninstall the configuration software installed with your driver but to keep the driver. I'm a little anxious that that's not an NVIDIA fix, though, since you have to use the above route to disable them in the first place, not some sort of control panel. In any event, the graphics options route worked for me in a similar situation.
If disable the Intel driver hotkey feature is not useful, you can try to change the hotkey, and then disable it. On my computer, this method works.
That is a function of the display driver, not the OS. You will need to check the settings in the display driver to see if it can be disabled.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.